Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another MLB 9 innings 23 video. We got packs and skill changes on the Phillies account today. So let's get straight into that. We have not a lot of packs. We do have a Team Select Diamond pack. I think I'm going to go pitcher with this one because I think I have 5. Okay, actually, before we get into that, I need to show y'all something. I got this from End of Season Rewards. He's got no skills. He'll be our first project. I just ran him up to level 18 real quick with, I had like 8 of his cards in backup. So I went ahead and threw those into him and got him to level 18. So now, what am I doing? There it is. I have 2 batters and 2 relievers and 1 starter that are all non-team cards. So, I mean, as far as batters go, who am I? I need to pull Real Muto and what's his name? Hoskins. And there's a couple others. Pitchers, I mean, obviously I'm going to dupe Nola and Wheeler a lot. But I need some other relievers. Giles is going to be removed from the game pretty soon. That might be a sig change candidate. But I'm going to go pitcher, I think, today on the Team Select Diamond. So hopefully we get a solid, at least a non-dupe. I mean, at the very least get a new card. I'm going to save the sig pack. And I'm going to do a sig, I don't know what you call, like just a video where I have like a lot of sigs. I think I'm going to have 4 sig packs, 3 sig packs and a mileage sig pack, and then 2 sig combos. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Open up Prime pack, and the new primes for the Phillies were kind of useless because I mean I'm not going to invest in a Bryce Harper prime. A decent card. All right, let's go ahead and open these 6. Just 1 diamond. That's a solid reliever card. Whoa, that's good skills. I think he might replace Thornburg. Yeah, he easily will replace him because, I mean, look at the skills. That's awesome. All right, and then he'll go in the setup man role. Garcia running Boss Iron Will, I think. Yeah, with Giant Crusher, so he's probably better suited to middle reliever anyway with that set. All right, that's nice. Love to see that. And it brought my overall down for a second. I mean, once I train him, it'll go back up. Are there any upgrades? No. All right, I'm gonna get Mikhail Franco to level 6. It won't take much. Okay, we'll do that. Just so that he'll eventually have diamond skills. And then we'll start working on Segura. Don't need any of these. It just starts getting so slow once you get to high levels of special training. This card's gonna be an absolute beast. Literally definition of end game card. 8 to the right train, 333 Pioneer skill set. I mean, that's just crazy. I'm not sure if we'll do some vintage combos and prime combos after this. It's a nice card. I wonder if he has a SIG. If he has a SIG, maybe that's a... I don't know, I kind of don't want to grade increase a card and then use a SIG change on it. I'd rather use a SIG change on a card I have at Diamond already. Unless it's a card that's like been removed from the game. That's a little bit different, but... Gene Segura, useless card. Ryan Howard. We don't have a good year Ryan Howard yet. All right, let's see. I mean, I guess Prime Howard would be nice to get, but... All right, that's one of the older primes. Decent card. Low I, but pretty good card. All right, let's team select Diamond. And let's just hope we don't dupe. Which the odds are we dupe since we're going pitcher. Like, there's so many cards just between Nola and Eflin. Or Nola and Wheeler. Let's just see Giles. Can we see Giles? Oh. Okay, that card is not as bad as it looks. It's pretty bad, but it's not as bad as it looks. But hey, that's not a dupe. That's a solid rotation piece. Okay, we can't be too sad about that one. He's what, 83, so I'll put him in and he'll go to, yeah. Let's see, do we have any of his, do we have any Gibsons in backup? I don't think we do. I don't know why we would. Yeah, no, we don't. Alrighty, that's nice. All right. Let's go ahead and get into skills and stuff. So first, let's open a second slot on Eflin. Start rolling these. Inning Eater. Dom Mess is serviceable. Definitely take that for now. Boss triple ones. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be triple chocolates there. Of course, we get boss low levels, ace high levels. That's how this game works. We're so close to hitting Diamond, Team S, Diamond S. I just need to draw a Team Sig when I open all the Sig packs. Like Real Muto would be great. Or somebody like that I don't have already. And then that will be one more Diamond player because I do still have the free GI. Oof. Double Fool's Gold. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run these players up to level 10. Both these players we just added. And let's see what that does to our overall. So I think we raised the overall today. We'll buy the two Sig packs in the special shop, and that'll put us, it's 3,000 a piece. So that'll put us over 7,000 mileage. The event point Sig, that one seems like it's gonna take a while to get. Like that it takes a long time to save up that many event points, but I'm just hoping, like, Realmuto would be cool. Giles would be cool. Trying to think of players we don't already have because it would be really nice to get some help towards our set deck with, from that. Of course, I mean, obviously no guarantee we draw a Team Sig, so I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. I can see this card being in our lineup for a long time though. If we don't draw just a ton of relievers. I actually think we'll probably start going batter again because we have a fully team, like a fully Phillies starting rotation. Let's look at this. I mean, he's obviously been replaced. We have a fully team starting rotation. We really need is, I mean, Realmuto, Hoskins, any of those, and we have Diamond S, which is gonna raise our overall by quite a bit. I think when we do that is probably about when we'll hit 100 overall, which is crazy to think about. I mean, this at times it's felt like this account has gone like so long without seeing a jump in overall, and then all of a sudden it's just like, oh man, we're actually nearing 100. It's been kind of crazy, and we do, like I say, still have that SIG change ticket. I'm not sure who to use that on. I mean, let's see real quick. We got this guy. Does he have a SIG? No, he doesn't. I need Carlos Santana. Is it 2013? Carlos Santana had a year with the Phillies, and he could play first and third, and that would be like a huge, just a huge deal to have his versatility in the lineup. Let's do some vintage combos because I'm kind of an impatient person. Should we do a SIG pack and a SIG? If we don't get anything from these vintage combos, we'll probably do a SIG pack and a SIG combo. That's why I didn't think I could start a YouTube channel. I'm such an impatient person. I have a hard time saving all my packs and stuff, so. There's Maddox. Diamond Legend from this combo? No. We're actually getting really close to... Alright, I guess we're going to open this SIG pack. Kind of getting desperate for something. Some big moment. Open the SIG pack. See what we get. It's a silver. Alright. Realmuto would be great. Hoskins. What relievers don't we have? Giles. Obviously, we need starting pitching help. So that any of these, like literally just a Phillies player. Just a Phillies player. Oh, snap, bro. That is an absolute beast of a card, dude. Man, that is insane. He looked like a good reliever card when he was in down condition. That's crazy. All right, so we got a SIG combo. All the Mets closers. Oh, why do I keep hitting that button? Alrighty, here we go. Last thing we'll do today. Oh my word, how many times? I literally, I've pulled Baez on like every account besides my Cubs account. That is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, I know I said that was the last thing I'm gonna do, but I got other primes. Do I have any other primes or vintages or anything? Okay, no, I don't. I'm gonna open that mileage sig today. I'm kind of ruining future content. Oh man, that is awesome. I know, like I just said, I couldn't do anything with it, but that's awesome. Let's go. That card is an absolute beast. Alrighty. What's the very cheapest thing we could possibly buy with stars? Is there anything else in the special shop we could even sort of use? Super cheap. Let's do this. And then we will go to the special shop and open a mileage sig. And this is for real the last thing we're going to do today. All right. So, yeah, I just wasted a lot of resources trying to force something to happen. But we didn't see anything. Nothing happened. So, all right. We'll see what happens next time we get sig packs. How many sig? I know the odds don't necessarily get any better if you're drawing a team sig when you have multiple accounts, but man, it's just so depressing when you open so many sig packs, these so many sig combos, just can't draw a team sig. It's crazy. But all right, that's where I'm going to leave this video. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive notifications about all my future videos. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.